Good morning students. In this video we are going to see this second diagram. Check out the measurements here. Total length of the object is given here as 100 mm. The shorter length is 12 mm. Height of the small line is 9 mm. Now we have to calculate this middle distance. Left hand side 12 mm, right hand side 12 mm gone. So remaining will be 76 mm. 100 minus 12 plus 12, 76. Now calculate the total height of the object. Up to the from the center line to this line, 22 mm height is there. So this vertical line height is given as 22. Above that radius 22 is available. So total height of the object is 44 mm. So I am going to construct this as a box. Okay. So first construct this front to profile as per the given dimension. Select the create sketch option. Since the object is vertical, you need to select this vertical plane. So give the line command. Select a point on the screen. So this vertical line height is given as 18 mm. Enter the value 18. Then horizontal line measurement is given as 12 mm. Select a point over the screen. Then keep the cursor in vertical orientation. Height of the line is 9 mm. Enter the value 9. Select over the screen. Then horizontal line distance is given as 76. You need to calculate this distance. Then vertical line distance is 9 mm. Select over the screen. Then keep the cursor in horizontal orientation. Length of the line is 12. Then keep the cursor in vertical direction. Height of the line is 18 mm. Then you calculate this horizontal distance from this point to this point. 44 mm is given here. So this right hand side distance is 44. So keep the cursor in horizontal orientation. Enter the value 44 and select over the screen. Then vertical height is 44. Radius 22 plus vertical height. You see here radius 22 plus vertical height is 22. So total distance is 44. Then horizontal line distance. Here thickness is 12 mm given. You see here this gap. Thickness is 12. Enter the value 12. Once again do it. So horizontal distance value is 12. Select over the screen. Then keep the cursor in vertical orientation. Height of the line is 44. Select over the screen. Then select this end point of the line. Now select the finish sketch command here. Automatically it has to go to the 3D view. It's not gone. So select this home icon. Now you see the diagram. Extrusion thickness is given as, width of the object is given as 44 here. That is the extrusion thickness. So select this front view. Select the extrude command. Extrusion distance available is 44. So enter the value 44, then select OK. Now see the diagram. Semicircle is available with radius 22 mm. For that I am going to use this fillet command. Select this top face. Select the fillet command. Fillet radius is given as 22 mm. So enter the value 22. Then select OK. Again a circular hole is available in the center of the object. So see here, whole command is available. Select this whole command. Now see here, select this face. Just you can select the front face, it will be automatically aligned. So whole diameter is given as, check the dimension here, smaller hole diameter is given as 20. So enter the value 20 here, already it is available as 20. So here the hole diameter should be 20 in this location. Enter the value 20, then select OK. Hole will be created. Similarly, this horizontal hole dimension is given as 10 mm, 2 holes. For that you have to select this horizontal plane, then select the create sketch. For that you have to draw the construction line, because this horizontal and vertical distance of the hole is not equal. 22 and 25 is given. So for that you construct the line. Select this end point. Horizontal gap for the line is given as 25. Select over the screen. Now dotted line is appearing. So press escape button. Once again give the line command. Select the end point of the line. Now vertical gap for the hole. Horizontal gap is given as 25. Vertical gap is given as 22. Okay. So delete this line. Horizontal gap is 22. Select the end point of the line. This horizontal gap is given as 22. Enter the value. Once again give the line command. Select this end point of the line. Keep the cursor in vertical orientation. Vertical gap is given as 25. Now select over the screen. Press the escape button. Now give the circle command. Select this end point of the circle. Diameter of the circle is given as 10 mm. Select over the screen. Okay. The same manner you have to do it on the right side also, left side also. So give the line command. Horizontal distance is given as 25 mm. Construct one horizontal line. Select over the screen. Vertical line distance is given as 22. Select over the screen. Then give the circle command. Select this center point of the circle, end point of the line. Diameter of the circle is given as 10 mm. Enter the value 10 and select over the screen. Now give the extrude command. Here see here, vertical distance I wrongly given here as 25, so that should be 22 mm. Okay. Now select the finish sketch option. Select the two holes. Press the control button. Select this holes also. Give the extrude command. Extrusion distance. The total height of the object is given as 18. So enter the value 18. It is coming here as a cylinder. So minus 18. Enter the value minus 18 so that it will go downward. Now select OK. That for the 18 mm high hole depth, the hole will be created. Thank you.